Google Sheets, you want to type sheets.google.com in URL, automatically it will redirect to your docs.google.com. Make sure you have logged in with your Gmail ID. To create the new sheet, click on this plus icon. It will create the new sheet for you. To rename this sheet, just double type here and rename your sheet. Suppose I will Google Sheets 20. As you save here, it is saved to drive. Automatically sheets are going to be saved in the drive. No need to save the sheet. As if you are the basic user of the Excel, then usual practice is that we used to click on the file and click on the save button. But in the Google Sheet, you don't find any save button as auto save function is working here. That's why you don't want to save the files. To share this sheet with your colleagues or any employees or your co-workers, simply click here on the share button. After clicking it, you have to type the mail address with whom you want to share. Suppose I will share with my salesperson and click on the send. So this sheet would get shared automatically. This sheet will be go in the mailbox of this particular mail ID. You don't have to mail them separately. This is the advanced feature what I really like about the Google Sheet. In basic Excel sheets, we usually download the file, go in the Gmail and do the attachment of that file if you want to share with some person. So that thing is covered here. If you want to share, no need to download the file, no need to attach it in a Gmail box. Simply click on the share button, type the mail address and in a single click, auto mail will go in directly the mailbox of that person. So I hope you understood properly the creating the file and the sharing with the people. Now other advanced part in the sharing is you will find some options here. Viewer, commenter, editor. If you want to share the sheets with someone who can edit the things in the sheet, you have to tick mark on the editor. If you want to share the sheets, only that person can view the file. He cannot edit anything. It means he cannot change any records. He cannot add any rows. He cannot add any columns. Even he cannot delete. He cannot do anything with the sheets. That thing is known as a viewer. So if you tick mark the viewer and send, then that particular person cannot change the file. So it depends on the purpose, what file you have to share. You can select from here. So I really like this feature. If you are working in a company, if you want to share the confidential files, so simply you can share from this. Commenter is a thing who can only comment in the sheets. Even he cannot update the record directly from the rows and columns. This thing I will cover in the next tutorial. So ignore this thing. Just viewer and editor. Remember these two factors for now. So I hope you understood properly the role of the person with whom you want to share the files. How to share these sheets on WhatsApp, or if you want to send the link of this sheet to somebody in your group, simply click on the share button. Here you will find the get link option. copy the link from here, and this copied link you can paste in any WhatsApp or anything that you want to communicate with particular person. So this is the way with whom you can share the file.